Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell me.
As a Jamaican, I can tell you 100% that Jamaican food is good.
Yo. Jamaicans, I love you dearly. But I think there's something wrong with you. I genuinely believe that there's something wrong with you. There's something wrong with you guys, and here's why. Why is the night food so bussin'? Why is it cooked so well? Like you want the dead person to try the food again?
Spicy. That one Got up. Nah, word of my mouth. Nah, no funny shit.
Yo, listen. I love when people discover Jamaican food for the first time because the reaction is always the same. Shock, confusion, spiritual awakening. And today, these Americans just tried Jamaican food for the first time. And when I tell you they lost their minds, let's get into it.
Smells so good, dude. I got him to put the jerk. I got the pork, dude. This is Hallelujah. It's like collard greens, but like Jamaican style, dude. I got the rice. I got the oxtail gravy thrown on here, dude. I'm about to try it. Here we go, dude. It's nothing like soul food, like collard greens. God, but it's good though, dude. It's good. Oh, that's delicious, dude. It's like savory the same way, but it's different. I got the jerk pork. I'm gonna see what that's talking about. Oh, whoa, whoa! That jerk sauce is good, dude. That is fire. Oh yeah. Hold on. Gotta get the fatty part too, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, dude, shut up. That's bomb. The oxtail gravy. God, dude, it's like, I don't even know how to explain what this tastes like. It's savory and juicy and just good.
That's what I was saying. I was saying the same thing.
Order for twine.
Oh
Here?
yeah.
Jamaican
What's this?
food?
Shit, that's your food. What's this, bro?
Jamaican food.
Jamaican food.
Yes,
Oh,
Jamaican food.
But I'm American. He trying to be trying Jamaican food.
Huh?
Yo,
Yo,
try it.
this too. Jamaican drink.
Bro, what's this right here?
Jamaican drink.
I should just try it.
Yes, bro. It's the first time for everything.
Alright, let's see. So, bro, you mean to tell me I should try this right here?
Yes, bro.
So you mean to tell me it's busted for real?
Yes.
Alright, bet. Don't let me down, bro. What should I try first? It don't matter?
It don't matter, bro. Just dig in, bro.
Let me try this real good.
What you got going on? Yo, what you looking at me like that for, bro? Oh, you fucked that shit up. Oh. What's the verdict?
Bowling cloud, this shit busting. What do you mean? I'm missing out on this?
Yo, yes, bro. You've been missing out on that, bro. Yes.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's probably top 5 thing I ever had in my life, bro. Hope my mama ain't watching it. It's almost gone, man. Them niggas close at 9 o'clock. It's 7:58. I might go back. Y'all, I went my whole life without trying Jamaican food, bro. My whole life, bro.
It's nice.
My whole life, bro.
Go to New York and try Jamaican food. So I got the jerk chicken and cabbage, rice and peas. The bomb, guy! The bomb! You guys, I'm not exaggerating. This is so delicious. Jamaicans are eating good.
Oh my god. You guys, the oxtail is so soft that you do not even need teeth to eat this. I'm dead at rice and peas. Even the rice has so much flavor, man. Bro, when I made rice and peas, it did not taste like this. This is way better. I just love trying other cultures' food, bro. Cheers. Even the chicken falls off the bone. Ooh.
Ready, go. First reaction. First thoughts.
Spinach is very good and flavorful, and the cocoa bread is sweet. Good
Thoughts.
touch. Yeah.
Here we go. Oh my. Maureen. We're doing fine. Jerk chicken. Here we go. Oh my gosh. The flavors in this chicken, wow. This is one of the best jerk chickens I've had in my life.
First of all, did this man just say Jamaican funeral food is so good? It makes you want the dead person to come back and try it again. Why is it that accurate though? If you have ever been to a Jamaican night, you already know. The food, legendary. We are talking properly seasoned meat, rice and peas cooked with coconut milk, gravy that could fix your whole mood. Jamaicans don't play about food at all. The jack pork reaction. When he bit into that jack pork and went, whoa, that jack sauce is good, dude. That is fire. I felt that. Let's talk about jack for a second. Jack isn't just spicy. It's not just grilled chicken. It's a whole technique, a whole history. That flavor comes from generations of cooking, influenced by the maroons and traditional spice blends that made jack what it is today. And when he said he had to get that fatty part, that's when I knew he understood the assignment. Oxtail gravy is equals to spiritual experience. Now when he tried the oxtail gravy and said, I don't even know how to explain this. That's what Jamaican food does to people. Oxtail isn't just meat. It's slow cooked, tender, falling off the bone. You don't chew it. It melts. And when he said you don't even need teeth to eat it, that's not exaggeration. That's facts. And I love how they give rice and peas respect. Can we talk about when he said, even the rice has so much flavor? Yes. Because Jamaican rice and peas is not plain rice. It's cooked in coconut milk, thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet, and pimento. That's why when foreigners make it and say, mine didn't taste like this, of course it didn't. It's not just rice. It's a science. When she said Jamaicans are eating good, you see that realization moment. That's when people understand that Jamaican cuisine is world class. Not just Caribbean food, not just island food, world class. From New York City to London to Toronto, Jamaican restaurants are everywhere for a reason. Because once you try it, you are hooked. I went my whole life without trying this. That line hit me because that's how a lot of people feel. They go their whole life thinking it's just spicy food. It's just chicken and rice. It's just Caribbean food. Then they try it. And suddenly, it's top 5 thing I ever had in my life. Top 5. Over your mom cooking is crazy. When she tried the coconut bread and said it was sweet with the savory chicken, that balance is intentional. Jamaican food understands contrast. Sweet plus spicy, savory plus heat, Smoky plus creamy. It's layered. It's complex. It's not accidental. Let's be honest. Jamaican culture puts pride into everything. Music, athletics, language, food. You think a country that gave the world reggae and sprint legends is going to play about seasoning? Never. They cook like they mean it. And what I love about this video is that these reactions weren't forced. They were shocked, confused, and emotionally moved by gravy. So guys, what was your first Jamaican dish? Did it change your life? What should foreigners try first? Jack chicken or oxtail? And if you are not Jamaican but you have tried the food, be honest. Did it surprise you? Listen, I love seeing Jamaican culture appreciated properly. Not watered down, not remixed, not disrespect, but fully enjoyed. Because Jamaican food isn't just food. It's heritage, it's history, it's identity. And every time someone says, "This is the best thing I have ever tasted," that's generations of culture getting its flowers. If you enjoyed this reaction, drop a Jamaican flag in the comments. Like, subscribe, and remember, once you try Jamaican food, there is no going back.